How to transfer specific album to Backblaze B2 on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific album to Backblaze B2 on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down, click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and now click next, and then click this one, Backblaze B2, and then click go to videos and click none if you want to transfer only your specific album, and then click specific album and select any album here and click next and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Backblaze B2, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.